I'll be singing the story The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So, once upon a time, there was a small village in which there was a young boy. And the young boy, he had nothing to do, so he tried to work as a shepherd who looked after the sheep. And working as a shepherd is really hard, and it is also very boring. And even the young boy who was working as a shepherd was extremely bored. So to enjoy himself, he always used to shout wolf, 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 and the villagers used to believe him, and they used to come running towards the farm to beat the wolf away. But every single time they come to protect the wolf, they um, they learn they learn that the boy is just playing the trick to entertain himself. He used to repeat this play over many times, and every single time the villagers believed him and they came running to him. But not in a single case. But not in a single case the statement which the shepherd said was true. So the villagers completely lost. They completely lost trust and belief in him. They were so determined that he will always be lying no matter what the situation is. The villagers were very furious over him. And on one day, what actually happened is that a real wolf came onto the farm, and then the boy shouted as loudly as he can, "Wolf, wolf, wolf!" And not a single villager came that time because they knew that he was lying. But that was not the case. This time, the wolf really came, and it ate away all the sheep. It ate away all the sheep. Helplessly, the shepherd was too scared to do anything and save the sheep. So after some time, the sheep ate away all the wolf ate away all the sheep, and it ran away. And then at the evening, the villagers came to only to find out what tragedy had happened. They learned that the boy was not actually lying, and the wolf this time came indeed. So they were so guilty for not coming, and even the boy was so guilty for lying. And then an old man comes forward near the boy and said, "Don't cry, my boy. From next time, don't lie, please, because um, because no one trusts a liar if he always lies." And from that day, that boy did not lie a single day. He used to be very sincere and genuine in his job. Thank you.